How to cultivate alfalfa plant for ornamental plants and animal feed for beginners. Alfalfa, known as Medicago sativa, is a plant belonging to the leguminose family from the subtropical country of Central Asia. Alfalfa plant has long been widely cultivated by various European countries, America, China, but now also can be cultivated in Indonesia. Alfalfa scientific classification: Kingdom, Platy. Division, Magoliophyta. Class, Magoliosida. Order, Fabaceae. Family, Fabaceae. Subfamily, Faboideae. Nation, Trifoliae. Genus, Medicago. Species, Medicago sativa. Alfalfa plant is widely used as health food, animal feed, and also for organic fertilizer. Is very good for plant fertility because alfalfa plant is very rich in nutrients and natural nitrogen sources. Here's how to cultivate alfalfa plant for ornamental plants and animal feed for beginners as complete. 1. Terms: grow alfalfa plant. This alfalfa plant will grow well in areas with a minimum altitude of 600 meters above sea level and a temperature range of about 20 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius, and planting land has a loose soil, sandy or baramus with phase about 5 to 7. 2. Preparation of alfalfa planting land. Clear the planting area to be used for cultivation, then ground the soil using a hoe or hijack, then spray organic pesticides and let stand for 1 day. Next, do fertilization using manure that has been fermented into bokashi. Make sure the land has the right phase. If calcification cannot be done by using lime dolomite. If it is, then make a guluda with a height of about 30 centimeters and a width of about 1 meter. From a height of 30 centimeters, make 2/3 of the bottom of the buns in the form of a layer of fertilizer, and C/3 top layer of soil. Let for a week, then the land ready for planting seeds. 3. How to seed and planting Al-Falaq. Choose white Al-Falaq seeds. Needs of seed for 1 hectare of land required as much as 20 kilograms of seedling seed Al-Falaq. If the seeds are ready, the seeds can be sown immediately on the land. Sow alfalfa plant seeds along the line of preformed lines. Spacing of alfalfa in 1 row can be very tight, that is only 1 to 2 centimeters between bike, then do watering. If this planting is done in the afternoon, then the next morning the seed has germinated. 4. How to take care of alfalfa plant. Watering this plant can be done once a day enough, and do weeding on weeds or other plants that grow around the plant. Do also the provision of liquid fertilizer with a dose of 1 bottle cap dissolved in 1 liter of water every week. In addition to the application of liquid fertilizer, do also fertilize the soil again after the plant is 2 years old with a half dose of the initial fertilization dose. 5. How to take care of alfalfa plant. The first harvest of alfalfa plants can be done after the plant is 51 days old. The second harvest after the age of 35 days, and the third harvest until after the age of 21 days. Taken from the alfalfa plant is the stem and leaves, so that the harvesting process is done by trim to near the bottom of the stem bottom. So we are discussing about how to cultivate alfalfa plant for ornamental plants and animal feed for beginners. Hopefully the videos we present can be useful for all of us. Also watch our next video every day at 6 p.m. See you later, and thank you for visiting our channel.